In the endless void, two worlds are about to collide. A young, chaotic world. Earth. And the wanderer of fate, Theia, draws near. This moment will define all of human history. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was nothing but fire. No life yet, only toxic gases and liquid stone. Deep within, the seeds of life were forming. Electric storms sculpted the first movements of creation. Vicious. The heavens rained destruction upon this newborn world. Asim. Across the solar system, countless young worlds fought for existence. Among them was a lonely traveler, Theia. A desolate world, wandering without purpose. Their paths would soon cross, by destiny's design. Theia, 70% the size of Earth, carried unimaginable power. Peace in the cosmos is always temporary. The distance between the two worlds shrinks by the minute. The inevitable is here. No place in the universe has ever witnessed such fury. Two worlds collide in a blinding storm of creation. From this chaos, something miraculous will rise. Earth dies, only to be reborn. Ring of ashes forth, a scar and a promise. In time, these fragments begin to unite. And from the wreckage, the moon is born. The Earth recovers. Magma turns to stone. The moon stabilizes Earth's chaotic spin. Water condenses. Rain
begins to fall.
For the first time. From vapor, oceans are born. The once dead planet now glows with promise. From him, from its light, life will one day emerge. A story of destruction and rebirth. From chaos came balance. Earth, two worlds, forever bound. If not for this collision, there would be no S. The scars of that impact still remain. Yet from those scars came life's first dawn. Every planet bears its own story of birth and loss. But ours began with a single, magnificent collision. A perfect balance of gravity and chance. The moon watches over us still. Brilliance. Together, they dance to death. Life will bloom under their rhythm. Each tide remembers that ancient impact. The collision that forged our sky's companion. From destruction came beauty. From chaos, creation.